Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you can simply go to your drop down menu and then scroll to the side and go to screen record. Start recording. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive information that's visible on your screen or played on your device. This includes passwords, payment info, photos, messages, and audio. We can click on start. We have a little countdown here, and now it is recording. And if I go to this menu here, I have a pencil I can draw on my screen. So like if you want to show something, you can like circle it. You can also set settings to the microphone, so you can say microphone, system sound, or both. So now it should also record my voice. And then we also have that camera here, and if we enable this, you can see like your selfie camera, I call it now. Disable the pencil again and go to our menu, for example, and now we say stop. So now the recording stopped. So if we go to our photos now, do not back up now, no, we go to our library, screen record, and then this is our video. Got it. And you see there's no sound now. And hopefully my voice will be there in a second. So now it should also record my... So here we have my voice, so that worked. You can edit the video here, got it. You can crop it, adjust it, put filters on, and like markup. And if you've done that, you can save it and just go back. So that's how you screen record on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.